Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening the 68 Hemi Barracuda. I recently rescued this car from a department store. It looks like it had been there quite a while because this car is a 2015 release. It's actually a 2006 casting, so it's getting a bit old in the tooth now. And it's been released under a few different names, including Plymouth Hemi Cuda, the 68 Hemi Barracuda, and the Hemi Cuda. But this time we've got it in the Hot Wheels Workshop HEATFLEET. It's in a nice silver colour there, and the flames are the red and the blue colour, and you can see it's got on the back there the decal Hemi Cuda, as well as the Hot Wheels symbol. It's got those red rims on the black tyres. It's a nice car. Not one of my favourites, but I couldn't leave it at the store. I had to rescue him and bring it home. I like the chrome base, so you've got the chrome features at the front and the rear. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this car. And big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.